Hello there, wonderful viewers. Thanks for choosing this video from Fixit. Join Fixit on a journey of knowledge and creativity. Today, I will show you how to use one WhatsApp account on two phones. Remember to subscribe and click the bell icon so you don't miss any Fixit magic. Let's get started. Now, if you want to use your one WhatsApp account on two or more of your devices, it is actually very simple to do so. But first of all, there are a couple of things that you might want to remember is that you need to have the QR code on that account. So it could be that you're logging in from your browser, you can go to web.whatsapp.com, or it could be your login in from my desktop app. You can download the desktop app and simply get the QR code. Once you have a QR code with you that you might want to log into, you can link so by opening settings. Then tap on linked devices. When you tap on linked devices option over here, you'll be able to find this option known as linked device. All you have to do is just make sure to tap on it, make sure to authenticate with your fingerprint. Now click on OK, make sure to scan the QR code of your account over here, which I told you to get earlier. Once you've done that, your WhatsApp account will be linked and both of your phones or devices can use WhatsApp without any issues. Did this video help you? Comment below if I fixed your problem. Hit the subscribe button for more tutorials. Your input fuels us. Comment something below you would like to see fixed.